Okay, ready? You ready? Let's go. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear
Carolyn.
Happy birthday to you. Hooray! Say happy birthday, Karen.
Happy birthday, Karen.
Say happy birthday, Karen.
Happy birthday, Karen.
Say I love you.
I love you.
Ryder, say I love you.
I love you.
Give her a kiss. Can you give her a kiss? Give her a kiss. Aw, that's nice. Happy birthday, Karen.